This is under shedding period. It's peeling the skin. It's shedding the skin.
Okay.
They have very smaller eyes, but compound ones.
Yeah.
That they can see all the way around 360 degrees at once. And their tongues are very sticky, can extend to about 12 centimeters long for grabbing insects like flies, cockroaches, grasshoppers. And they were also given the ability to change the color to defend themselves from their enemies. Chameleons have got several enemies. First is man, who will kill them just aimlessly. Secondly, we have snakes and eagles. Now they were given the ability to change the color to defend themselves by changing this color after every 3/4 of a minute. And when full grown, a chameleon can lay up to 30 eggs. These are the common species we have here around the coastal region, known as the flap-necked chameleons. These are the flaps. Then we have the biggest ones in the western parts of Kenya with some horns, the horned chameleons.
300.
Yeah. Very, very beautiful.
Yeah.
And another very beautiful snake we have around here, which is also harmless, is the grass snake. That the majority of the Kenyan snake bite victims die from it due to lack of knowledge. In case you're bitten by these and then you panic, because they resemble the green mambas.
Yeah.
Green mambas are poisonous, but they have no black spots. They are totally green in color, but they have no black dots. So they cannot grow bigger. This is already adult, but the green mamba can even grow through even 2.5 meters.
The tongue is blue.
Yeah, and their tongues are blue, while the tongues from the green mamba are black. And these will prey on tree lizards and house geckos as well. Jumping frogs too. But the green mambas will prey on birds, especially the weaver birds.
Why is it doing the tongue out like
Or
that?
they do use their tongues for sensing at the smell. Yeah, this has been here for maybe a month, so it's tamed.
Oh.
But a fresh one from the bush will bite you severally.
Oh.
But without injecting it poison, because they lack poisonous fangs.
And do you ever get bitten yourself?
Several times. My name is Safari.
Safari.
Yeah, Safari.
Travel. Okay.
Yeah, that means traveling with joy and significant. These are their hiding places.
Eh?
This is called a striped-bellied sand snake because of the stripes on the belly. You see the belly has got some stripes.
Yeah.
And this is among the semi-poisonous snake. Semi-poisonous, that's to mean...
You're touching it like that?
Yeah, I'm used to. And I caught this yesterday. Because whenever they see a snake, they call me and go capture.
Safari.
Yeah, safari is my profession.
Yeah. Okay.
So semi-poisonous, that's to mean the little poison it has is very special for killing baby rats and baby mice. It's uneasy to bite me because if you press it a bit, it will feel pain. Now it will have to revenge by biting you. You have to hold it like a baby. So it's feeling so nice, and the fact that
it's feeling nice.
Yes, and the fact that they are cold-blooded, we are warm-blooded. Yeah. Now it's grabbing my blood warmth, so it's feeling nice.
If it bites you right now, where can I rush you?
No, don't take me anywhere. First aid is antibiotics, pain removers only, or less. You can go for maybe some 2 beers. That's to remove panics. Yes, you drink. That's to remove panics. When you panic, you can die of heart attack.
Okay.
But the snake has no poison to kill a man. These two are called house snakes.
House snakes?
Yes. They are called house snakes simply because they are always found in the houses. They are very useful because they do feed on house geckos and rats.
This one looks risky. Is this poisonous?
Also have poison.
Yeah.
But I caught it myself. I know how it behaves, and I have no fear with it. I'm the snake man.
You're the snake man?
Yes. You see, the same color on the back, but this one has got no stripes.
Yeah.
But the same name, sand snake. Only that the small one has been a striped-bellied sand snake because of the stripes on the belly, but this is called a hissing sand snake. That is a hunting tactic. While in the nature, it will hiss to attract rats.
Oh.
This will hiss to attract rats.
Yeah.
Then will bite and swallow. It's a very brave snake.
Yeah. This one is not trying to get your warmth on your body.
Oh, it's somehow lazy. It's fed on mice yesterday. You can see on the stomach.
Yeah.
So digestion takes place slowly by slowly from the feathers to skin, flesh, up to bones.
A baby python.
So this is a baby constrictor.
Yeah.
The snake normally uses its muscles. I've forgotten to tell you something.
Removing its skin.
Yes, it's shedding the skin. Then it will be very shiny. In each and every month, it has to peel out the outer skin. You see?
Yeah.
Then it comes another very new skin, which is very beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you have to let it peel it on its own as an exercise, not always helping. You see? Very nice there. Very nice color.
Okay.
Over here it's creamish, not yet, but here it's very clear. And these will grow to a length of 7 meters, and they are semi-aquatic. We found them both in the bush and 2 in freshwater rivers, and can live up to 90 years.
Wow. Okay.
You see?
It's trying to coil around you.
Yeah, it's a constrictor.
Yeah.
So
it wants to strangle you.
Yeah, yeah. Very aggressive and very strong.
And this is a baby.
The baby, roughly 2.5 years old to 3 years, but they can live to 150 years, while can grow to a length of 6 meters. They are totally tongueless, but they have very sharp teeth. They are keeping snakes at their homestead.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the terrapin tortoise.
Okay.
Terrapin tortoise is a tortoise that living in freshwater rivers. We have turtles in seawater. Then we have tortoises on land. But these turtles in freshwater rivers are usually vicious, ever ready to bite. Their sharp and powerful jaws are efficient amputators of ill-placed fingers.
Ah.
In case you pass
your
a finger in front
of the mouth.
Yeah.
This is not. This how old is this one?
Only 2 years.
So even this little one can really bite your finger off.
Yeah, yeah. They have very sharp jaws.
Oh yeah, I see.
Yeah. Now it's ready to spit. When it do like that, it's ready to spit.
I see.
Yeah. Come over. Yeah. The other one has been small. So this is feeding on rabbits, puppies, and cats.
Okay.